In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a group in Steam step by step. Steam groups are a great way to build a community, organize friends, run gaming events, or simply create a place where people with the same interests can hang out and chat. Whether you want to create a group for your gaming squad, your content community, or just a group for a specific game, Steam makes the process pretty simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through the entire process from opening Steam to creating the group and setting it up properly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Steam loads, look at the top menu of the window where you'll see your profile name. Click on your profile name to open the drop-down menu. Inside this menu, you'll see several options related to your account and profile. From this drop-down list, click on the option that says Groups. This will take you to the Steam Groups page associated with your account. On the Groups page, look toward the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different group-related options. Find and click the option called Create Group. This will open the group creation page where you can start setting up your new Steam group. Now, the first thing you'll need to enter is your group name. This is the main name people will see when they search for or join your group, so pick something clear and recognizable. After typing your group name, click the Check Availability button to make sure the name isn't already taken by another group. If the name is available, you can move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to create a group abbreviation. This is a short tag that often appears alongside member names in Steam. Keep it short and simple so it's easy to recognize. After that, you'll need to create a group link. This is the custom URL people will use to visit your Steam group page. Type the link you want and click Check Availability again to confirm it hasn't already been used by another group. Once your group name, abbreviation, and group link are all available, you'll see an option that says Public Group. If you want anyone on Steam to be able to find and join your group, check the box next to Public Group. If you leave it unchecked, the group will be more restricted and people will usually need an invite to join. After reviewing everything to make sure it looks correct, go ahead and click the Create button. Steam will now create your group and take you to the group's main page where you can start customizing it further. From here, you can add a group avatar, write a description, invite friends, post announcements, and begin building your community. And that's it. You've successfully created your own Steam group. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam tips, gaming guides, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.